Welcome back. Let's talk about an advanced concept in grammar called past perfect tense and where to use it, why to use it, when to use it. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a brand new you in 6 months or less. So, what is the past perfect tense and where do we use it? Let's address those questions as we go forward. So, we use the past perfect tense to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. What that means is that there were two actions in the past. Both the actions happened in the past, but one of the actions or events happened before the previous action. Let's look at some examples to figure out what this means. So, by the time I arrived at the party, my friends had eaten all the cake. Usually, past perfect comes with the by the time structure, and that's an easy way to know that something is using the past perfect tense. Notice the timeline here. By the time I arrived at the party, my friends had eaten all the cake. So there are two actions in the past, both in the past. What do you think came first? What happened first? Well, the answer is had eaten. That came first. They ate all your cake and then you arrived at the party. Notice how this has had plus the third form of eaten, right? This is called the past participle form. So, friends ate the cake. Event 2, I arrived at the party. Similarly, let's look at some more examples. She had just stepped outside when it started to rain. So what you notice here is that she had just stepped outside, it started to rain. Right? Chronologically, both are in the past, but one happened before the other. Before we go into the other use cases, let me quickly talk about the Capshine learning model. With Capshine, you get to speak and learn and practice as a group. You get monthly fluency trackers, a personal coach, live lessons, challenges, and daily micro lessons that can help you challenge yourself and build your foundations to become a more confident user of the language. Let's look at more use cases for past perfect. Take a look at this sentence. Just before he reached home, she had fallen asleep. So in fact, if I were to draw a timeline, and this is now, I would say, she had fallen asleep. That's a Z, is to fall asleep, and then he reached home. Right? So there are two actions in the past, one before the other, and this is where you would use the past perfect. Now, I'll explain the grammar to you in a bit as we go forward. So event 1, she fell asleep. Event 2, he reached home. And one more situation, I couldn't attend the online class because my mom had taken the laptop to her office. So this is an action that happened before and after. And notice how these have consequences. The actions, the first action has a consequence on the second action in the past. And this is why you use the past perfect. So let's look at the language of it. So if your subject is I, we, you, or they, then the formation of the sentence is going to have plus past participle, or the third form of the verb. If on the other hand it uses he, she, or it, you would use had plus the past participle. And this will always be applied to the earliest action or event 1. Always, right? And that should give you a good idea to why, how, and when to use past perfect. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell notification to not miss videos like these, and of course, do not forget to check out your 30-day free trial by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.